Kain tayo ulit, friends. Part 2 na to, friends, ng kain. Punggok. Punggok ng Korea. Masarap to, friends. Favorite ko nung bata pa ako eh. Sarap to. Wedding of our neighbor. American friends. This is very big, wow. Oh my gosh. I like this a lot. I like this one. Snail. Snail in English. Delicious, huh? That's it, American friends. Sausaw natin sa ano. Do you know turok? This is Korean turok. You can eat this one only once a year in South Korea. Spring season. American friends. Yeah. In our house is a mountainous place, and there's lots of turok. My mother-in-law loves turok. Nandito yung bride and groom dadaan. Tangkat ng lalaki. Parang sa scooter yung lalaki. Anak ng unit. Sa susunod, anak ko naman na ikakasal. Ang sama yun ah. Kamay ko. Ang sarap. Ay, ang sarap. Ang tagal muyain mo ano? Punggok. Turok. Parang ibang lasa ng turok nila dito. Parang masarap sa amin. Parang hilaw yata ito eh. Naloloko niya ako. Parang isang ganun lang sa apoy. But when I cook this one, it's delicious. This is half cooked turok, but still delicious. Pangit ang kamay ko. Sabi ko sa kasama ko, kunin. My hands is so ugly. Sabi niya, you're so hardworking. You're so hardworking. Yeah, I know. I don't care if people watching me. Marami akong katabi friends, nakatingin sila sa akin. Wala akong papya. Basta I like to eat this one. Carby. Kain tayo friends, American friends. I enjoy a lot because I'm talking with you. My husband is there. He's waiting for me outside because I'm so busy taking reviews. So busy. Bring his car. I have car also. Drive alone, and I will drive alone. Kaya kain ako 1 hour eh. 1 hour. I just want to let you know that Korean tradition is amazing. If you go to wedding, you give money, and then when your son wedding naman, they return back the money. There is a huge about that. That is their tradition. It's amazing, but kimchi. Alam mo itong kimchi na ito, friends, pang ano na ito yan? Ang kokso. Kumuha ako. Hindi ako mahilig sa kokso. Yung Myeon ba yun? Marami pa rin akong Korean food na hindi kinakain. Yun ang talagang favorite ko. So there are lots of Korean food. Delicious Korean food. Suspect ng bilbil ko. Dito yung papa ng nagagawa ng sobre. Dito yung papa ng gawan sila ng sobre. Oh, shocking! Kaya pa tayo matapos nito eh, 1 hour na. Maiwan ako mag-isa rin sila. Kasi I still have lots of kids. They want to see. May kalabasa yan ang kalabasa. Sarap yan siya. Nasaan na yun? Ayun, si Uni. Babay man ako punta kasi kunin ko muna yung number ni ang daughter-in-law ni Uni. Bigay ko yung ano, yung number. Yes. Never mind my kamay kasi pangit. This is delicious. Sarap. Bakit pag ako nagluluto niya, hindi masarap? Pag sila nagluto, ang sarap. Yung asak-asak ba yung crunchy-crunchy siya? Ano kaya yung sekreto nila? Kabahan lang yung pag summer. Tinatapon ng mga squash, tinatapon lang. Because there are lots. Oh my God! 7 minutes na pala pa.